Okay guys, so I'm so excited for today's video. I'm gonna be doing like a room cleaning slash room transformation video today. In this video, I'm gonna be redoing it, decorating it, cleaning it, organizing it, everything. I've spent a lot of time in my room lately. When I'm constantly in here, I need it to all be picked up and like cleaned so that I can be productive. So I'm gonna be just taking the day to do this. I'm so excited. So the first thing that I did, which really changed up my room, was put a bed frame underneath my bed. I really needed some storage for underneath my bed because that is going to be really helpful in using my space because my room is kind of small. My bed is now elevated. It looks so much better now that it's higher up, and I have the space underneath right here, which is literally a game changer. Like, you guys, I'm gonna put so much stuff under there. So my mom and I went to the Container Store and we bought 4 huge under the bed containers. They're really big. They're gonna fit completely under my bed. I'm gonna go through all my stuff, organize all my stuff into here. Over here is kind of just a mess, so I'm gonna be taking a lot of stuff here and putting them underneath my bed. So let's get started. What I'm doing right now is trying to clear up those 2 shelves on the top a little bit. There's just so much stuff up there. So I'm just getting out a bunch of stuff that I don't really need in my closet. So I have like these old storage boxes, which are just filled with stuff from like my dorm. Oh, there's a lot of random stuff in here. Okay, I gotta go through this. I don't go through my closet often enough, so I gotta go through all these boxes and just figure out what I have. So I'm gonna clear off all of that, and I'm just moving stuff, as I said, underneath my bed as I go. Oh my god, you guys, look what I just found. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, this is all my old Nintendo DS stuff. Literally, you guys, I'm gonna cry. I loved this game. And this, you guys have no idea, this was my shit. Look, this was one of my old Nintendo DS's. I had this one and the Nintendo DSi XL. I was so proud. I loved the Littlest Pet Shop stuff. This was my first ever MacBook computer. That is really crazy. So behind my door, I just have all this trash. These are boxes just all from my recent purchases over the last couple months, so I'm gonna just throw all these away. Okay, so next I'm moving over here to my clothing rack where it is super messy, and I need to figure out what clothes I'm not going to be wearing for summer anymore. I have this basket of clothes to put away and some new hangers. I'm just going to be taking stuff off and hanging stuff up, taking stuff in and out of my closet too. Look at all these clothes I'm putting in my closet. Alright, so I'm filling this bag with donating stuff, so all my clothes, shoes, everything that I'm donating is going in here. I guess I'm even cleaning my fan in this video. Okay guys, so my room is coming along so good. I've made so much progress. So I cleared this little spot in my room and I'm headed to Michael's right now. I'm gonna get like a little cart to put right there. I'm so excited. You guys will see. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. It's this 3-tiered rolling cart, which is perfect. So I just need to decide on a color to get. Okay, so I'm trying to decide between the turquoise and the white. I really like the berry color too, that's cute. This is a hard decision. Okay guys, so that was super quick, super easy. I picked out this cart. This is a 3-tiered white cart shelf that I've been looking at forever from Michael's. I've seen them like at so many different places. I am going to go home and show you guys what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm very excited for how I'm gonna decorate it and what I'm gonna put in it and how I'm gonna set it up in my room. Let's take this home. I have to say I'm pretty excited for this because I have that space in my room that this would be perfect for. So I'm excited I finally got it. We're gonna have to build it. Okay. I am going to build this right now.
Thank you. Because it requires taking their ideas.
Okay guys, so I finished the rolling tray. It looks so cute. It only took me like 15 minutes. It was so easy to put together, so I'm so happy that it's done. And I'm gonna put it in that corner of my room. I'm gonna make this into like an art setup. I have a lot of art supplies and canvases and notebooks and sketchbooks and everything that I use for art class and just for fun. So I have a lot of different art materials that I wanna put all in one place. So I'm gonna use each level as art supplies and all my stuff that I have. So it fits perfectly right here. I'm literally so excited. And since it's on wheels, I can just roll it around. So I'm just gonna go through all my art supplies and start filling this up. So in my Alex 9 drawer, I have a lot of art supplies. So I'm just gonna be going through each drawer and taking out all of the art supplies that I have. I also have like this basket right here and this little Tupperware. I'm definitely gonna move everything from over here into the cart as well. Okay, so far I'm just organizing everything in piles. So at the top I have markers, pens, pencils, and then these are paint pens and Sharpies. So I have a lot to go through still and a couple drawers. So I found a couple of these drawer organizers and I'm going to use this to organize everything better. I'm definitely going to put one up here. Okay, so I kind of reorganized this drawer with a bunch of stuff. So I have beads in here, and in the back I have stickers, I have clay, I have just a ton of stuff. Drawer is filled with art stuff and I'm going to close it up. This drawer as well, I just put the rest of my art stuff in, so I have a lot of these paint tubes, and then this is for my art class. This is like good art pencils, charcoal. So this is what my whole cart is looking like. It looks so good. The top is super organized. I have markers, I have pens, I have pencils. It kind of shows how much art supplies I still have to use, which is really nice. So I put just a bunch of everyday stuff on the top. In the middle, I put paint. I have paintbrushes, watercolor, these are paint pens, and then I have some acrylic paint back here and the rest in my drawers. And then I have these 2 colored pencil sets down here that I use as well. And then on the very bottom, I have sketchbooks. I can't tell you how awesome it is that this is on wheels. I'm definitely just gonna slide it around my room. If I want to work in my bed, I can slide it over to my bed. If I want to work in the living room or the kitchen, I could just slide it out of my room. It was genius. Fits perfectly and it organizes everything really well. So I have this to plug into my wall, so I'm gonna set this up right now and plug it in. Okay, yay. So now my room will smell good. Okay guys, so my room is pretty much done. It looks so good, so clean, everything looks amazing. So the last couple things that I need to do is sweep the floor, and I'm gonna put up some art on this wall that I did. So I just touched up this piece this morning, super cute. So I'm gonna hang this up, and then I also have this piece that I did on a small canvas that I think I'm gonna hang up as well. But it is gonna be so cute to fill up this whole wall when I have more pieces done. So that looks cute. I put 2 more canvases right here. I think it looks really good. So as I do my art, I'm just gonna add to the wall behind my little art setup. So I think this looks so cute. Okay guys, so it's the next morning and my room is done. I'm gonna show you guys the final product and how my room came out. It looks so good. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So here is an overview of my room. It looks so much cleaner, so much more organized, and it looks so cute. So I'm so excited to keep adding to it, and yeah, but it is so organized and it looks so good. I am so happy with it. I'm definitely going to be doing an in-depth room tour like this week to show you guys everything and how it's organized. This area specifically, I think, has the best transformation from the last couple days of cleaning. Having all my art supplies stored has saved so much room in my Alex 9 drawers. Now I have all my art supplies in one place. I don't really have anything else in my room that's super messy, so I think it came out amazing. I also have the storage underneath the bed, so I was able to fit 3 of those containers, and they're filled with a bunch of stuff. So I think my bed honestly just looks so much better higher up. It ended up being the perfect height because it lines up right with my purses that I have hanging on my wall right here. But I washed all my blankets, so everything's clean and looks super good. Even my clothing rack, I took out the stuff that I don't really wear that often and only have clothes that I wear all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me redo my room. I cleaned forever, I organized forever, and now I'm just hoping to keep it as clean as possible for as long as I can because it looks really good right now. I also plugged in this little lilac wallflower and it smells so good. I woke up this morning after having that plugged in last night and it smells amazing in here. Again, I am going to be doing a room tour definitely this week and just showing you guys in depth of everything that I have, so it's gonna be great. I'm excited for that now that my room is finally done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.